In this video, I'll show you how to install R kernel in Jupyter Notebook. To install the R kernel in Jupyter Notebook, what you can do first is to go ahead and download and install R from CRAN. Make sure you also install R Studio, which is an IDE for R. And here, make sure that you download the appropriate version of R for your device. So they have versions for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. After you download and install R, go ahead and open R Studio and run the following commands in the console. This registers the R kernel with Jupyter Notebook. And last but not the least, verify the installation. Open Jupyter Notebook and check if the R kernel is available in the kernel options. And that is how you can basically install R kernel on Jupyter Notebook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.